This is the CA49 by Dzees. It's a pet cam, security camera, baby monitor, and more. We're going to show you how simple it is to set up and easy to use, and you'll decide for yourself if this product is right for you. You have a cog gear that you can simply go in, remove the camera, and start over. We're going to show you what you actually get inside the box before we set up the application with you. Android and iOS devices required to run the unit. You get a 6+ foot cable USB-A to C. You get your power supply brick that simply plugs in to the wall. You get hardware and a mounting bracket so you can place on the wall if you don't want to put it on a table. We have the unit and a quick guide to get you started with the application and everything you need to know about your camera. An optional SDXC card and slot reader may be required. The camera. It has a speaker on top with the camera upside down, reset, and SD card slot. On the bottom is your bracket where you attach and a rubber ring to hold on to the table for less sliding. Place on the bracket, twist to the side by holding the base to lock onto the wall. Night vision, blue LED indicator, 2K HD SD sensor, LED indicator of power, and a call button located on front of the camera. You have a USB-C slot that you simply plug in, place down on the table, and allow to calibrate. Sign in to the Dzees Home application, and let's get started. Your camera is beeping at you, giving you some information. You hit the plus sign, you heard the add new device, and you heard the information and click on next. It opens up to the CA49 that you're going to click on the badge icon, and it opens up to your wireless router and password that is 2.4 gigahertz only. You're going to hit next and it's going to confirm that information with you. You click on the confirm. It's telling you prompt the connection to the Wi-Fi network. Hit the got it. It's asking you to join. And it's going to connect the device to the network. This would take about a minute's time, and then you're going to hear some information, and the unit's going to quickly connect to the other three. We are connecting as 1, 2, 3. Your screen says connection succeeded with a check mark. Add in the name to your device. Pet camera, baby camera, whatever you like. Hit the next. It's going to see if the connection is secured in the area, the strength of your Wi-Fi signal. Click on next. It's going to walk you through the steps on mounting and placing your camera. You're now greeted with firmware update. You could update now or cancel and do it at a later time. On the screen, you have your Dzees cam devices, if it's 1, 2, or more. There is a lot of information provided in the application. We're briefly going to go over the unit. On the top, you have an email, a cog, and a square. You're going to click on the cog, and it opens up to all the settings of this camera. You have motion detection, that you have low, medium, high. You could turn it on and off. You have a record setting. You could track by hitting the track. You could put it to sleep, schedule a time to go on, and so forth. You can have it detect your pet, a human, etc., over here. We have push notifications to your smartphone, so when you're away worldwide, you'll get your information. And one of the things we have on the camera is a call button. You notice we were detected on the unit every single time something is there. We have an alarm setting, which is the audible alarm. You have a light indicator in front of the camera that you could turn on and off. And you have your video settings that you can rotate the image, set to 50, 60 gigahertz, and auto night vision. We click on the square on the actual thumbnail, it opens up the screen in full and connects to the camera. As you can see, it's doing its thing. If you tap on the screen, you're able to scroll down and move the PTZ yourself. You could zoom in and zoom out. You have the three dashes that open up the motion tracking. You can have a position and set new position points. You can press to talk. We'll hear some reverb. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. The audible alarm. The magic picks, which is night vision, off and on. Your more, which gives you all the information that you've seen on the main screen before, but now including sleep. If you record video and photos, you have a photo that you could save to the album and a video that you could save to the album as well. This is the call button on the front, white on white. Press it once. Answer the call. Press the DZ home. The application opens up. It connects, and you're able to talk to the person at the other end. End the call just like that. With motion tracking on and magics, what we're going to show you is with the lights off. You're going to see the infrared system in red LEDs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.